Everyone, my name is Neeti. I'm a yoga teacher in New York City, and today I'm going to take you through sun salutations. We'll start with Surya A and then move to Surya B. And my intention is to give you a strong foundation for your yoga practice. So if you've been taking a lot of flow vinyasa style classes at home, it's highly likely that you're already doing Surya A's and B's, whether you realize it or not. But what I want to do is break it down a little bit and give you some modifications to help you build your practice at home. Also, this is a great set to learn on your own so that you can hop on your mat in your own time and just get the blood flowing and get energized. All right, let's head over to the mat. So I'll start in downward facing dog. Spread the hands wide, root the palms. Slide the shoulders away from your mat. Wrap the upper arm bones down. And pull the rib cage up and in, send your tailbone high. Keep the knees soft so that the back can be long. Inhale, lift up your heels. Exhale, bend your knees and walk to the top of your mat. Inhale, half lift. This is Ardha Uttanasana. Exhale, fold. Inhale, rise, reach your arms above you. Exhale, bring your prayer to your heart. Ground your feet down, spread your toes wide. Then pull the belly up and in, lift the center of your chest up. The glutes are slightly engaged in Tadasana here. Now press your feet down. Inhale, reach your arms to the sky, side body long. Exhale, soften the knees and fold forward. Inhale, take a half lift, send the top of your head forward. Exhale, plant the hands, step back to a high plank. Drive the heels back, strengthen through the legs. Breathe in, push the mat away. Breathe out, tap your knees down, shift forward and lower all the way down. So in this first version, we're coming all the way down. Press the tops of your feet. With your inhale, just pick up your heart for a baby cobra. Exhale, come through hands and knees, tabletop, downward facing dog. And then keeping the knees soft in the beginning of practice so you can honor the back body. And in that first version, notice that we came all the way down and we just did a baby cobra. So really nice way to warm up the spine before we start moving into full chaturangas. Breathe in, lift your heels. Exhale, bend the knees, walk to the top of your mat. Inhale, take a half lift. It's Ardha Uttanasana. Exhale, soften and fold. Inhale, sweep your arms up, Urdhva Hastasana. Exhale, prayer to your heart. Push the feet down, strengthen the legs. Inhale, send the arms high. Exhale, soften, keep the spine long as you fold. Inhale, take a half lift. Exhale, plant the hands down, step back to a high plank. Now in your high plank, you want the hips in line with the shoulders, and you continue to push the mat away, slight almost rounding of the upper back as the heart pushes away from your mat. Breath in together here. With your breath out, lower your knees, shift forward, lower halfway down. So warming up for chaturanga, we're halfway down, right angle with the elbows. My elbows hug my ribs. Press the feet down. Inhale, guide your heart forward and through. My thighs are lifted. This is upward facing dog. The shoulder blades lift. Exhale, pull the belly button in to send the hips back, downward facing dog. So in that second variation, we're low, we tap the knees, we come halfway down for the chaturanga modification. That is such a great place to be if you're working on building strength for chaturanga. Chaturanga is a really hard pose, right? This last version will go through chaturanga. Inhale, lift your heels high. Exhale, bend the knees, walk to the top. Inhale, take a half lift. Exhale, fold. Inhale, rise, reach your arms up. Exhale, bring your prayer to your heart. Push your feet down. Inhale, raise your arms high. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, half lift, lengthen through the side bodies, tip the weight into the front of the feet. Exhale, plant the hands, step back to a high plank. All right, drive the heels back, broaden the chest, breathe in here. Exhale, lower halfway down, use the whole exhale. right? We don't rush the shape. Press the heels back. Then flip the feet. Inhale, come forward and through. Exhale, take the hips back. Adho Mukha Svanasana. Right, so in our Chaturanga Dandasana, we keep the legs strong and the hips in line with the heels as we lower down. So now we'll move to Surya B. Breathe in, lift the heels high. Exhale, bend your knees, 2 steps to the top of your mat. Inhale, half lift, Ardha Uttanasana. Exhale, fold. Always starting with an Utkatasana, bend the knees, breathe in, send your arms high for Utkatasana. Exhale, we'll land here, slide the hips back, sit your bum lower, reach the knees back as well. Inhale, see your hands above you, reach up. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, half lift. Exhale, plant the hands, step or jump back to Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale, slide the heart forward and through, it's Urdhva Mukha. Exhale, hips back, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Ground the left heel down at a 45-degree angle. Step your right foot forward. Breathe in, sweep your arms up, Warrior One. Exhale, we'll land right here. So traditionally, all of this would be going a little bit faster, 1 breath, 1 movement, but we're going to build the shapes, right? So my back heel is grounded. Push the back heel down so that you are rooted. And from that point of contact, wrap the left hip forward, bring the low belly in. Bend deeply into your front knee, the arms extend up. Inhale, hands above you. Exhale, plant your hands, step back to Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale, slide the heart forward and through, Urdhva Mukha. Exhale, hips back, Adho Mukha Svanasana. As soon as you can see your feet, you ground the right heel down, you step the left foot forward. Breathe in, sweep your arms up high. Exhale, we stay here. It's Warrior One. Now, same thing, wrap the outside of the right foot down and turn the right hip forward. The low belly comes up and in so that you can lift the chest. Feel the sides of the rib cage lift up. Inhale, see your hands above you. Exhale, plant your hands. Bend your back knee and step to the top of your mat. Inhale, half lift. Exhale, fold. And we close with an Utkatasana. Bend the knees deeply. Breathe and reach up. Exhale to stay. The tailbone slides back. Keep the belly pulling in. And it's okay for there to be a slight arch of the low back, but keep your heart lifted. Inhale, see your hands above you. Exhale, fold forward. So starting the next Surya B again with a chair. So we bend our knees, breathe in, arms up, Utkatasana. This time we'll move faster. Exhale, fold forward over your thighs. Inhale, half lift. Exhale, plant the hands, step or jump back, Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale, heart comes forward and through, Urdhva Mukha. Exhale, take the hips back, downward facing dog. Plant the left heel down, step the right foot forward. Breathe in, sweep your arms up, Warrior One. Exhale, plant the hands, step back, it's Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale, guide the heart forward and through, we're moving fast. Exhale, take the hips back, down dog. Right heel down, left foot forward, breathe in, reach the arms high. Exhale, plant the hands, bend your back knee, step to the top. Inhale, half lift. Exhale, fold. Bend your knees, breathe in, send your arms high. Exhale, fold right back down. And last variation, we're gonna play with it a little bit. Bend your knees, breathe in, send your arms up, Utkatasana. Exhale, lower the tailbone, cactus your arms broad in the chest. Breathe in, reach your arms up. Exhale, fold. Inhale, half lift. Exhale, plant the hands, step, jump back, Chaturanga. Inhale, Urdhva Mukha. Exhale, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Left heel down, right foot forward. Breathe in, sweep your arms up, Vira One. Exhale, cactus, broaden the chest, lift the heart. Inhale, sweep the arms high. Exhale, plant the hands, step back, Chaturanga. Inhale, Urdhva Mukha, heart raises. Exhale, hips back, down dog. Right foot grounds, left foot forward. Breathe in, sweep your arms high. Exhale, cactus the arms, lift the center of the chest. Inhale, reach up, look up. Exhale, plant your hands, bend your back knee, step to the top of your mat. Inhale, half lift. Exhale, fold, bend your knees deeply, breathe in, send the arms high, Utkatasana. Exhale, cactus the arms, keep the tailbone low. Inhale, reach up, look up. Exhale, fold forward, dive down. Inhale, half lift. Exhale, plant the hands, step, jump back, Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale, Urdhva Mukha, raise your heart high. Exhale, hips back, downward facing dog. All right, so tap the knees down. And so those variations, right, we built on. So in Surya A, we did a version modified with a baby cobra and our chest all the way down. Then we did a little bit less of a modification where we lowered halfway down but came into up dog. Then we did the full Surya A. With Surya B, we built on it. So first we slowed it down so we could get into the poses. And then we moved at one breath, one movement. And that really creates a rhythm in your body. It's quite challenging. As you can tell, I'm a little winded. And then the third thing we did was we played with it, right? We added the broadening of the chest, the cactus arms, and that's something that you can use in your own time, right? You cultivate a rhythm and then build on it so you can have some fun in your home practice. Hope this was helpful.